My name is Lauren Pierce and I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina. My hair loss journey began about 5 years ago. I had just had my third baby and I was experiencing the massive shedding that you get after you give birth, and the doctors assured me it was normal and it just never grew back. So fast forward about a year and a half ago, I had a thinning part and I was becoming very self-conscious about it, trying to style my hair in ways that would cover it. So my mom was diagnosed with cancer back in February of last year, and when she lost her hair due to chemo, I went wig shopping with her, and just for fun, they put a wig on my head and she lit up, I lit up, and she looked at me and she said, "If I'm getting a wig, you're getting one too." So we walked out of the wig shop with 2 wigs that day and have been wearing hair ever since. When I put on my first topper, it felt amazing. I had been used to wearing full wigs, which are heavier, so a topper felt much lighter and it felt more versatile, like I could pull it back and do different things with it that I couldn't do with a full wig. But it was definitely comfortable and lighter on my head. I love being able to feel my own bio hair underneath it because I still have it. It's just my crown where I'm experiencing the hair loss. So to be able to see my bio hair underneath the topper was great. You can blend it into the topper, so it was very versatile in the way you can style it. So I was scrolling through Instagram and saw the contest for the Jon Renau Gets Real, and my husband and I were sitting on the couch scrolling through, and he said, "You should totally enter that." And I said, okay. So on a whim, we took 2 pictures, a before and an after with me wearing hair, and posted it. I thought it was a great way to share my story. I haven't really come out that I had been wearing hair, and so I felt like it was time and that was something that I could do. It's been an amazing platform to be able to share my story. I've gotten so much positive feedback and encouragement, women saying that they are experiencing the same thing and that they would love tips and tricks on wearing a topper, and I feel like this is just a great avenue for me to be able to share my experience with them and encourage them in their journey. This has been one of the most amazing experiences of my life. Who else would ever get the opportunity to fly across the United States, be pampered, have your hair and your makeup done, and feel beautiful and gorgeous?